Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. My mission is to help you decide what to love making next. A big thank you to all those who have subscribed to my channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm trying to reach 50 subscribers by the end of September. Only 29 more to go. I'm so excited. Today I am reviewing from the Gundam franchise the Tallgeese Endless Waltz version by Bandai. Piloted by Zex Marquise and made of titanium alloy as opposed to Gundanium, the Tallgeese served as the prototype for all other mobile suits. Development started around AC-175, but the developers fled due to a political assassination, so it was left neglected and unfinished. 20 years later, it was rediscovered and hurriedly completed to resist and repel the attacks of the 5 Gundam champions sent by the colonies during Operation Meteor. It is said that no ordinary person can pilot the Tallgeese owing to its dangerous and underdeveloped piloting system. As the Tallgeese was collecting dust and was rushed into service, I gave my model a very rough paint job and wash with gray and brown paints to try and capture the age and disrepair of the mobile suit frame. I'm not much of a painter though, so feel free to let me have it in the comments section. Tallgeese comes equipped with the Dober gun and a shield, as well as 2 backpack rocket pods for flight operations. Oh, and don't forget the beam savers. The rocket pods open to reveal engine nozzles. This kit had 2 different types of decal sheets, adhesive backed as well as rub-on decals. Not much for decals, but I did a pretty good job in installing them, even if I do say so myself. The build went really well. Bandai kits aren't the cheapest plastic models out there, but you get what you pay for, high quality. The parts easily came out of the frames, the instructions were stellar, clearly describing what went where, and the pieces went together firmly. It is a master grade kit, so there are some pretty small pieces, but nothing too bad. I only got the magnifiers out to be sure I could polish the parts cleanly. I have almost all of the Endless Waltz Gundams to build after this mobile suit, and can't wait to see them all staying together duking it out. This mobile suit looks great, mounted on Action Base number 1. Tallgeese poses beautifully and holds together well while doing so without the need for glue, and Tallgeese and his accessories match the manga perfectly. I don't have too many complaints about this kit. Like I said, it was typical Bandai quality, and those cats seem to think of almost everything. I think they can almost build the real thing one of these days. I give this kit a 6 out of 10 on the Stallone's rock scale of hardness, where 1 is easy and 10 is rock hard. Would I do it again? Sure, if I needed another Tallgeese, I'd build another. It was a great experience. But instead I'm going to build Gundam Epion, the Wing Gundam, the Death Scythe Hell, the Sandrock, and the Mobil Arms. I found a great Reddit site with some much better paint jobs that I will link in the description. I would call this kit a buy. The link for it at Amazon will be in the description as well. Did you build a Tallgeese? What did you think? How do you think I did? Feel free to give me what for in the comments section. What Gunpla kits are you building next? Help me decide if I should build the Gundam Epion, Wing Gundam, Death Scythe Hell, Sandrock, or Mobil Arms next. Please like and subscribe to see my latest videos. Please support me on Patreon. My budget will thank you eternally. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.